Hey, what's up everybody? It's Hey Jon. I jabber opportunities nonstop. In today's video, I'll be covering some fabulous news. What does a billionaire have to say about Dogecoin? Well, it is nothing but good things, alongside with some news updates. So stay tuned. The Dogecoin price up more than 10,000% over the last 12 months has defied its critics and managed to hold on to most of its blistering gains, even as the wider Bitcoin and crypto market goes into meltdown. Sam Bankman-Fried, the billionaire chief executive of cryptocurrency exchange FTX, has said Dogecoin is the asset of the year for 2020 and 2021. Do you know how Time has their person of the year? If there is an asset of the year for 2020 and 2021, it would be Dogecoin, said Bankman-Fried. Speaking on the Jax Jones and the Martin Warner Show podcast, Dogecoin is the asset that accurately reflects our current economic climate, said Bankman-Fried. Dogecoin is the asset that we have all chosen, that we all deserve, for better or for worse. I don't say that as an endorsement or an anti-endorsement of it. I'm not trying to take a position on it. That is a direct quote from the billionaire himself. This is a reflection of the current climate and the times. If you think about it, if we all choose a joke of a currency or a meme of a currency over legitimate currencies to date, what does that say about our legitimate currencies? Well, they are a joke, duh. Dogecoin, created as a joke in 2013, has soared since January to become one of the world's most valuable cryptocurrencies, sporting a market cap of about 37 billion as of this recording. On comparison, Bitcoin's market cap is around 650 billion with a B. Dogecoin's price has surged as traders and investors have piled into so-called meme stocks such as GME and AMC, with soaring prices vastly outpacing traditional valuations of such assets. The valuations used is archaic, and it's something of a rich folks club, if you ask me. That's why the current valuations are outpacing. But at the flip side, this is a social movement, and we have to ask ourselves, is this the end or just the beginning? I'd argue this is just the beginning with GME and AMC. We have taken away tons of funds from these hedgies, and these many individuals will become mini hedgies in their own right because of their newfound wealth. I suspect we will see more of these types of plays in the future. And these plays will become way more sophisticated as well. As the saying goes, fool me once, fool me twice, shame on me. Hedgies will learn their lessons sometime in the future, and that's why I mentioned these types of plays in the future would get more sophisticated. Meanwhile, Elon Musk and Tesla and SpaceX chief executive has played an outsized role in helping Dogecoin reach its current sky-high valuation. Musk has repeatedly talked up the meme-based cryptocurrency, calling on developers to submit upgrade ideas and planning to put a literal Dogecoin on the literal moon. I believe we all remember these tweets, and if you don't remember, go ahead and check it out. Via one of SpaceX's rockets, Musk's Dogecoin support, something he himself has said isn't something that should be taken seriously, has alienated much of the Bitcoin community in recent months, and that's kind of why we are seeing Bitcoin sink currently. With many resentful of Musk's nonchalant attitude towards Bitcoin. Elon is a powerful piece of this. He is actually the most influential man in the world when it comes to financial assets right now. Bankman-Fried said, Everyone kind of knew he'd choose Dogecoin, and we chose Elon. We signed up for this. We signed up for some amount of self-aware mockery, for some amount of a sense of humor, and for some amount of challenging norms and saying, well, what makes your thing better than Dogecoin? Well, I would say nothing is better than Dogecoin. And as you know, the community of Dogecoin is number one and always will be number one. HEB grocery stores in Texas will be using currency provider CoinCloud to begin placing kiosks in several stores where customers will both be able to make purchases using the digital currency, but will also be able to purchase more coins. This is a pilot program, and it will start within 29 stores in the Houston area. The machines will also be CoinCloud 2000th machine. I would say this is fantastic news. Even without any recent endorsements or tweets from Musk, the work still continues, and this is the work we want to be done, grassroots, where many businesses over time start to adopt cryptocurrency, and most importantly, our first love, Dogecoin. This weekend, we are also seeing more marketing being deployed on behalf of Dogecoin. Well, what is this marketing, you're asking? Well, Spring Rates has NASCAR cars with Dogecoin all over it. I saw a dummy car that resembles a Supra front end, and that is super rad. I believe this weekend could be volatile for Dogecoin. It could go up if the Spring Rates Dogecoin car gets onto podium. Number one, baby. Who doesn't like to buy a winner, right? And of course, the opposite is true as well. If the Spring Rates Dogecoin car does not get on podium and is below par in terms of performance, we could see a little bit of a sell-off. And of course, that is no bueno, but still, irregardless though. And as they say, there is no such thing as bad marketing. WEBULL is a fantastic platform to trade on. You can trade cryptos and stocks. You can get 2 free stocks with just a deposit of $100. Link down below in my description. If you want to get up to $250 of Bitcoin and BlockFi, same thing. Link down below in my description. Go ahead and check it out.